the American, you book to G, Apomucho. Ya kwa jinti tiye ache, ya pomochoa, ya ufiachu, be a 2024, maybe a 2021. Yeah, bro, ya be come be aji ya ofu ya. Me fiko for ibi aneba he. Maybe me mamina, and ma bibi kaka, a shame homa be de bae. And ya kame mami and ya bia mami akamede. Bibia me bema. If call credit to cram in the bear call, Kajime Kashaman. Bibia me bia, Jimmy Bomber Mammy Amadi. Na ye nyano mombe omo kwa ko pe juma kra ya agye mpanifo di bi ene ombe agye menu wada before mamu wa juma amowa ye ya wo fie koma de ya chi kom ade ya che juma ye afrika de ya kwa ko che ni na ka yiwi mpo afi ya ko no abo aka ndo akọ mi bia afi mu mba ya ko parliament mi bia afi mu mba ba bibia ehu hie bia ebeku bia ya ko mi bia afi mu mba we de pomocho o mampani mahama
Enti Bahama, enti unfa nkola we mu. Nkola we a wa promise o mu sa, wa ka kire mu se, ube mo mu automatic poster no. Man sa nkola we say su every blessed day. But you have money to go and buy plane. To me employ nkofu na mu to abama o. But you want to buy swimming pool plane or the swimming pool plane or $60,000 US billion. And I'm a top plane. Ebra youth now omo school omo work room ha ebrem. Won't you muka person before mwejuma. But you were able to gather $60 billion US. And the top plane swimming pool ewo swimming pool pool nemu yi ba disco nyina was a play nemu am president Mahama se okoto but dey bia every blessed day bia nkola no esu every blessed day bia nkola no esu but this man na your friend president Mahama no on simple case o musu ya ka kirem ya ka kirem ya kan kirem ba musi uye mizu na musi uye miza mohum mu wiye misi John Mahama na ye nim no 2015 John Mahama na ye nim no 2016 John Mahama na ye nim no 2012 no the reason why enemu nurses bebremu de theater now no it is because of John Dramani Mahama anka before Mahama Bebano, now we don't have nothing. You need a backlog of nurses. Mahama Bebano, Mahama Sana Mahama Be President Ukrumano. No, we don't have anything called backlog of nurses. But John Dramani Mahama and Kwamba Ayeno. One employ one nurse po. Ya can't hear him. Beti and then Mohu. Ye catch him say every abatu bia wo nsusuanso and yes consequences yes nsusuanso ya kan kaka bi gbabi mu se gbomi gbonyare shana mi jujo mi gada ko na Mahama gbona mi eba ye egbon kuku enya eja ngana he tanya ya ma nya kata gbomi la makayu kaka mi gave ko for exam da koni because obe kinki 5 cities egba kinki ma lev 7 cities John Mahama be never ye one job 3 shift 3 people vasere vifle fie makpo mi popo ngokpe begbene domalo kaka akuga 60 billion be na private jet people yesu
o hweme na se mi unu abema na say unhu social media na say you fair dey koso but this is just a beginning. We will come again, we will demonstrate until they post us because there was 2022 badge omutifie and this badge no enye referral badge nko ye nkofo a omo no wie school with the 2020 main badge omo no ye adwuma afini omo ye adwuma o 2020 main badge mo tetemu nkire wo 2020 no e mo chemienu ye wo main badge second badge COVID ne buy na chewum yenu oh enti abaye ba ka tell say back ne bi da so fie e bi yesra omo yesra aban say oye bi kwa ma ye on kwasi da ye kakra aban si okay oh ye nya abotire ye ko hu ayi July And they can say a part of consideration. Also, you have to number extension. A battle, yeah, I'm not considering. On my extension, if you tell me, me, so time bend a healthy youth builds a country. A weak youth, me, say, most of them back to France. We do 40, 45, 90 years, CM, yeah. All of them pray, man. Look where they, Patrol, when I am young. I can't even know my left from right because you put me a new makeup. I don't even know what I'm doing with my life because every day they give us stories. I want my clear directives. There's no clear directives about our posting every day and different agenda and different story. There is no clear directives. So that's it. Why would you say your clear directives are? How will you know something?
We are speaking directly to the government. This issue that they are playing with us, they are playing with their own government. We will not prioritize any political party or government over our own lives. This is our life. We didn't commit any crime going to Nelson. So the government should listen to us. We refuse to be suffering from the home while they are enjoying their government. Meanwhile, we are those who voted for them. We voted for them to come and change our life, not to come and add misery to our lives. So the government should listen to us because it is their own downfall that they are going to orchestrate it on their own selves. So we are begging them, but not with, we are not being afraid of the government. This is our own lives, so they should take us serious, and we too will go to the hospital and do what is needed of us. So the government, we are pleading with them, but we will be very strict with them because we have our term to vote for them. So if they refuse to post us, we too, next time we will vote against them. This is what we have to do.
The yes from say yatene fiache. The kosuya a free team. Ye ko school no my allowances. Eminim say ya ban ni sika ni bi no spend ye. Sa ban sika na ye spend ye Ghana sika no de boy ye ho ka no. Oma Ghana sika no ho mra mfa so oma Ghana. Enye sa omudi tuya ma ye na asa. Say ye tuya for political talk no enye no na ehia ye. The ehia ye say the ekosuya ye no. Ye be put into youth. Ama ho aba mfa so ama Ghana. Na abusuya na tete omo rem de hwe ye no nso no. Ye ho aba mfa so ama.
Sorry, I would like to speak English because my tree is not really good. My name is Sandra. I'm the convener for the unemployed nurses. We're here to demonstrate. But then we received a notice from the regional commander yesterday, very late at night, saying that we shouldn't partake in this demonstration. Reason being that there is an international event which will be happening at the Ministry of Health. So they do not want us to create any bad impression for the country. This was not meant to be a bad impression. It was meant for the people to voice out their displeasure concerning our employment issues, which has become a thing of the day. Just imagine if I'm your brother or your sister, and then I've been home since 2020. That is the second batch. To date, we have 2024 people among us. So from 2020 second batch to 2024, we are a whole lot of nurses, over 50,000 of us. We had a good number, I won't lie to you. And so they didn't take this news lightly. Last night, I haven't slept, so this morning as I'm speaking to you, it hasn't been a small backlash for us as leaders. But then we are telling our people that all hopes is not lost. From here, we are moving to the regional commander because he has called for us. He even told us to come as early as 5 a.m. But then we had people who were expecting to be here, of which some of them are still on their way coming. We can't stop them because we don't know where they've gotten to. So we want them to come so that they will know that we as leaders were not playing when we said we wanted to demonstrate. We went through all the legal steps to get here as leaders. No one has tipped us. I'm saying this on record. We haven't received any money. The police are here with us. If we've received money, do you think they will still come here to be with us? So please, our people, let's still hold on to this solidarity we've been having since day one. We as your leaders.
Easy. Humanim accident, humanim cheese accident and humanim me bro, me bre. Me dance I can't even say I'm healthy 100%. But me pray for many baby. Just doing your card out my father. I just you be me some of all who are crying from accident, from struggling, from other business that they are doing, they died. But I was trained to be a nurse. I was trained to save life, but now my life is already in danger. what I can't even take care of myself. It's so.
Yeah, dear, Rebecca, you book to G. Upon my show. The Yaquako identity, Ache, Yapomochoa, Yawofiachu, it be a 2024, it be a 2021. Yeah, bro, Yabeko be a Gia for ya. Uma mean, may Fuko for Ibia never hay. Maybe, Mamma, and Mabby Bicaka, a shame, Homa be the buy. And Yakamema, me and Yabia, Miakamede. The Bia, me a bema. If we call credit to crime and the bear call, Kajime Kashaman. Bibia, me be Jimmy Bomber, Miamadi. Na ye nuanom mbai omo kwa akopɛ adwuma kra ya agye mpanimfo di bi ɛne ɔmɛ agye me ne wada before ma mo wɔ adwuma amowaye ya wo fie ɛkɔm ade ya kye o ɛkɔm ade ya kye adwuma ayɛ afei kra de ne yakɔ akɔkye nyina ka yewi mpo afi yakɔ no abo aka no hɔ akɔ a bibi afi mu mba yakɔ parliament bibi afi mu amba baabi bia ɛho hia bia ɛbɛkɔ bia yakɔ bibi afi mu amba we de pɔmɔkyɔ ɔmampani mahama o de ka che wa be ya manti ya pa cho wa o de ma ya juma
ebuo ni anidi a esese de ma ahemfo no ebi nka no so de ne ho ba saa de a sebi mpredua ba kunya ton sa ase di nti wo odwen se owie ye youth na ya ba na sebi mpredua ebi atra se ma ye de ndada adada wo se aduma ba ko ye fa nipa mensa na ye nya aduma ye na bi sebi some of us tutu kwan boy bra no ono nka ho onim what you are passing through some of us ye benya ka ye kuro yi aduma ba bi nti abeboy ho bia ba bi ye dey boy bra nti untimi mfa wuti kondo wa anyansa bi anim enko tra se bia kunya fun bi so nkan kwasa se mfa ntre Ghana fo some was we may for mental health serious we hwa adwen no we hwa ahomani bi atete no onim nti se ne se mpanifo no ye fa bi edi akonya ne ye fa bi ministers ne ye fa bi MPs a yes se mo member requirement say do be ko hospital ni ahwese akoye kofa na kodi akonya na dwen no ete say ahomani bi atete na sa ahomani bi ntete ye because oye clear example of madness. Se sebi mpediasa empanifo a wona kunya ne ho no omuntunefo a yen kwala no yebetunefo yen kwala no yen mane fa jimi we nkoso saa yebetunefo pa etu ohwe ne ho yi no de ne ho ba yebe mane hu se sebi mpediasa se ni mpanifo no de si saa kunya fon na wodi no so no so omunim nyansa Ghanafo inim nyansa chen no oba na dwen yeduma na efiri o chena ko yi Tuesday ya we wura mu ya minim Ghana time sisi ya ba de chen Tuesday onko hospital ni ehwe na dwen mu so onye scan hwe na dwen mu a omra ne ye mpekwensa kama no fa ko hwe na dwen mu ana on pasase bi ntom ni papa emensa ne nkoye manso because court ni bedi ama because mahama say court ni ko hu mahama ni paymaster mahama ebeboa na makodi asem no court ma yeyi no nto asase no fa ko hwe na dwen na edambo ana eba no so de mo kan no medase.
Oh, yes, yeah, that's it. Edu Solomon. Edu.
Abushafo mechiache obibia mse nyame ade obibia ho oche menka de
Yeah, talk papa.
yeah okay na papa ya ne de odi na to achi de papa na akasa no se ono akasa no oni credibility because se papa we work credibility
Wanya papa, man fan papa, wanya tan papa. Kia.
that make us we twam be 40 city
Oh, wanya
The
papa,
people
wanya
who
papa.
have age na ebia ato no enye obi a woni bia na nim nyansa to we fa papa ma no kra no consider papa
the jama make us say
Yo, kaza, sama da paka no wanya papa.
unim say papa we on ana ayi Jimmy for we say ade a wɔyɛ ya wɔde yɛ nana adodan kwa ekufu ado no Ghana fo anti ase na Ghana fo pentem buaten uze nanado ɛyɛ project wɔ papa we say ni krom na nanado kwa ko bia no no de nana papa we nanado ka kyerɛ ne sɛ on sorry no o kwa kyerɛ no na o ka sɛ on sorry no na yɛ papa we ya
Oh, sir.
ɛyɛ papa we ya
Oh, I see.
ya information a yɛ gada no me say masa because you have a dear terminate yes also so. Na Nana can say Nana ko ye project no. Nana do free Accra o. Eko papa we krom. Papa we si Nana do na ebe nti wo ma. Edu ya tama wo bubo di no bo man pedi da
Beba, when about me, I take care of you, and anyway, I had a same guy, no, and I know what.
the same na mine na Jimini na. Esi no need. Sama we say no. Eye ade bi won ho say wota Nana adodan kwa kufuado. Eti we ye obi na say wo ben Nana adodan kwa kufuado a. Otan. Because Nana do nya ni show, Nana do ye project with the crew. Ana o say Nana do kwa ko bia no. Ti Nana do kwa ko bia no no. E wo say wo hene na wo sa pro ni so no. Ana blore ni so no. U baby. Papa we say Nana do na event wo ma. Ni mpani fo kai wo ma. E ma Nana do kokko gina ho no wo. E twen. Nana do ko we see the time o. Because wo hene na wo producer wo ma ya president onye de OTB sifo. Ana Nana do tiri kai. Enti ekire ya na no ana koma to ne yam na odware ye na oba ye no. Nice wa wasting Nana time. Nana do say kwa akochia na papa we sa ate ho. Enu na hye Nana do abufuo. E ma Nana do ka kire ni say on sorry no. O wa de no ni ka wasting Nana do time be almost 2 hours. Ana Nana do akochina ho e twen. Sa papa we say Jimmy fuo we. Kwasi ampani we say. Enu ti na make say wuti papa we say ekuro mu a. Na say wu ni say bia wuti kuro bi mu a. E bia be mpuncho na obenya. Nyansa be na benya. Papa we na wo wa nyansa be pa na wo wuti. Nyansa be ene wo wuti. Kwasi ampani bi say. Jimmy ni bi say. Na me say me throw challenge. E dia ma your friend say John Dramani Mahama. Asama make a John Dramani Mahama nyina ni say your president ya wote so John Dramani Mahama and he say so says you bit me di atem. Na say nipa na wo di atem no ye mechew na sesia no o di mra bia ba say wuchi obi a na say wo di atem a ye fa wo IP address e bla mechew papa yo Ghana ba Samira ba omia onye wo ba bia keke wo ye former second lady e wo Ghana ana papa na ba be na tem. Eti said John Dramani Mahama any ministers ni mpanimfo. Said ya mo no obi di John Dramani Mahama yire atemu a because MPP for who say MPP ni bia akwa John Dramani Mahama yire aba be si ho say wo di atem dito dabi papa no ana ye criticize no eti ka papa we say criticize President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia anka obi anya de emfa ho but say who did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yire Samira Bawumia ba be si ho no mo na wo ba be di na tem no se John Dramani Mahama si se mla ye dwuma wo Ghana dia ene ye wonche wo hini wezi se wanche wo hini we ya na that means wa ma obi a opportunity se wutimi di atem ene ne ile no so John Dramani Mahama ile no ye be di na tem because papa we say no onye relevant ya ye be kwa koji ne ile atem papa we say di ne ile atem emfa so obi a emma me edu but se papa we yetimi edi ye ma me Samira ba omi atem na president ya wuti so John Dramani Mahama wuti so obi di atemu a even obi di atemu o internet so wuti mi tracy e ko che san ko ofo no e di omu ba begum wuti mi chi AY wuti mi chi fancy comedy wachi nipa bebrebe e di omu ba begum because of say wuti ade no TikTok papa we so e di ye maame Samira ba omi atem Samira ba omi anya obi akeke a meka so your baby akeke wo ye former second lady e wo Ghana ana ye di na tem enti edi na tem no se wanche na die be kwan na wo gbato wo e die be kwan na president Mahama wo gbato wo se sesia no ye fa ema bi animu ntwitwiri fom ana enti se wo se wo di wo mra no ye dwuma dia na se mra ne chi obi ade a chi sa wo hini we sei na nyense da ho emfa ma yen enkwala na yesu ye ba no na yesu ye hunu se yesu ekodi atem ni bia wo be chi ye twa yeto e was so hini wait me dam almost 3 months another 6 months na body share nyansa na yense na ho ema yen se wait me anya wa hini we bibia dia that means masa onya president kra ke yes because se wo hini we say etimi because who say said Yamami Samira Baumia, I bet the fear will be till a term. Sounds in that China, we hear Yamami Lodin.